Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're diving deep into the world of the ketogenic diet, a popular weight loss method that involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This diet has gained immense popularity for its potential to help people shed pounds quickly and improve overall health. While keto can be incredibly effective, many people make common mistakes that hinder their progress and lead to frustration. These mistakes can range from not eating enough fats to misunderstanding the role of protein in the diet. In this video, we'll be discussing 8 common keto mistakes that you need to avoid to maximize your results and achieve your health goals. We'll break down each mistake and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. From understanding the importance of easing into the diet to the significance of hydration and electrolyte balance, we'll cover it all. Staying hydrated and maintaining your electrolyte levels are crucial for avoiding the dreaded keto flu and ensuring your body functions optimally. So if you're ready to optimize your keto journey and unlock the full potential of this powerful dietary approach, stick around, because this video is packed with valuable insights that you won't want to miss. We'll also share some personal experiences and success stories to inspire and motivate you. Let's get started. Grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's dive into the world of keto together. One of the biggest mistakes people make when starting keto is going cold turkey on carbs. It might seem like a good idea to just cut them all out at once, but this can actually backfire. I know it can be tempting to just clear out your pantry and go all in, but trust me, your body will thank you for taking it slow. Your body has been used to a certain way of eating for a long time, and sudden changes can be a shock to your system. When you drastically reduce your carb intake overnight, your body goes through a period of adjustment. This adjustment period can be quite uncomfortable and may deter you from continuing with the keto diet. This can lead to those dreaded keto flu symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and brain fog. These symptoms occur because your body is trying to switch from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. Instead of shocking your system, gradually reduce your carb intake over a week or two. This way, you can ease into the diet without overwhelming your body. Start by cutting out sugary drinks, processed foods, and refined grains. These are the biggest culprits when it comes to high carb intake and can be the easiest to eliminate first. Then, slowly decrease your intake of starchy vegetables and fruits. This gradual reduction helps your body to adapt more smoothly to the changes. This gradual approach gives your body time to adapt to burning fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates. Over time, you'll find that you have more energy and fewer cravings. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. By easing into keto, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and a healthier lifestyle. Staying properly hydrated is crucial on any diet, but it's especially important on keto. When you follow a ketogenic diet, your body undergoes significant changes, and water plays a vital role in helping you adapt to these changes. When you reduce carbs, your body produces less insulin, a hormone that helps your body retain water. Lower insulin levels mean your kidneys start excreting more sodium and water, which can lead to a quicker loss of fluids. As a result, you might experience increased urination and a higher risk of dehydration. This frequent urination can also lead to a loss of essential electrolytes, which are crucial for maintaining your body's balance. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, constipation, and even kidney stones, so it's essential to prioritize your fluid intake. These symptoms can be quite severe and may hinder your daily activities and overall well-being. A good rule of thumb is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. This simple calculation can help you ensure you're getting enough fluids to support your body's needs. So if you weigh 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water daily. This amount can help you stay hydrated and support your body's functions effectively. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. This habit can make it easier to meet your hydration goals without feeling overwhelmed. You can also incorporate other hydrating beverages like herbal teas and bone broth. These options not only provide hydration, but also offer additional nutrients and flavors to keep things interesting. Now let's talk about the infamous keto flu. While not everyone experiences it, many people do, especially during the first week or two of starting keto. The keto flu is a group of flu-like symptoms that can include headaches, fatigue, nausea, constipation, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms are a sign that your body is transitioning from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. While it's not a real flu, the keto flu can be uncomfortable. The good news is that it's temporary and usually subsides within a few days to a week. To minimize the effects of the keto flu, make sure you're drinking enough water, getting enough electrolytes, and eating plenty of healthy fats. On the keto diet, fat is your friend, but not all fats are created equal. While you'll want to include plenty of healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts, it's crucial to prioritize omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that play a vital role in brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. They're also important for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and supporting a healthy mood. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough omega-3s in their diet. Some of the best sources of omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, and incorporate other omega-3 rich foods into your diet regularly. Salt often gets a bad rap, but it's an essential mineral that plays a vital role in many bodily functions. On a keto diet, your body excretes more sodium through urine, which can lead to an electrolyte imbalance. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electrical charge and are essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. When your electrolytes are out of whack, you might experience fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, and dizziness. To prevent electrolyte imbalances, it's essential to salt your food to taste and even consider adding a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to your water or consuming electrolyte-rich beverages. Before making any significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. The ketogenic diet can interact with certain medications, such as those for diabetes and high blood pressure, so it's essential to get clearance from your healthcare provider. Your doctor can also help you determine if keto is appropriate for you based on your individual health history and goals. They can also monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your medications or diet along the way. While the ketogenic diet emphasizes healthy fats, it's important not to neglect your vegetable intake. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, kale, and cauliflower are low in carbs and packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and satiety. It also adds bulk to your meals, which can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Aim to fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables at most meals. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, steamed, or even sautéed in healthy fats. While it's essential to stay within your carb limits on keto, it's equally important to focus on the quality of the foods you're eating. Just because a food is labeled keto-friendly doesn't mean it's healthy or nutritious. Many processed keto snacks and treats are loaded with artificial sweeteners, unhealthy fats, and additives that can harm your health in the long run. Instead of relying on processed foods, prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fatty fish, grass-fed meats, pastured eggs, avocados, nuts, seeds, and low-carb vegetables. These foods are naturally low in carbs and rich in nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. That's it for today's video on common keto mistakes. I hope you found this information helpful and feel empowered to embark on your keto journey with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power, and by avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and weight loss goals. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, nutrition, and wellness. And as always, remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.